How to fix Instagram user not found. So if you are searching for some user on Instagram and you are unable to find the person, or you are seeing the result like user not found, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So if you search for the person by tapping at the search bar right next to homepage at the lower button, and tap on the search bar, and if you are searching for the searching person or your friends and you're unable to find that person's exact profile, or you are seeing the result like user not found, then that might be due to various reason. So the common reason is the person may have blocked you or you have blocked the person. So in order to check whether you have blocked the person or not, you just have to tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, and you have to tap on the three bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and simply go for settings and privacy, and all of your settings and privacy of your Instagram account will be available in this section. Just scroll a little bit and go for blocked, and here will be the person that you have blocked. So if it's the person whom you are searching for and unable to find, then you can unblock this person once again, and you have to go and search. You'll be easily able to find the profile of the person. So this is the common reason and this is how you fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.